Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Annie. So today we are going to do a general reading for Cancer for the month of June. So as I said, this will be a general reading, so please take what resonates with you. If not, you can leave the rest of the reading. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. Okay, so in this reading we will take out the general energy for the month of June, the obstacles or the challenges, the guidance and the probable outcome. At the end of the reading we will also take the angels and ancestors guidance for the month of June for you, so that you get the guidance on how you can deal with the situation or what you have to do. Okay, if any of the cards in the reading appears in which there is a human body which is not covered, I will not be displaying those cards in the reading as it is against the YouTube policies. So I will definitely tell the card name and the message the card is given. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have for you, Cancer, for the month of June. What's coming for the month of June for Cancer? What's coming? Oh. Okay, I will read this. Alright, let's see what else is coming. What's the obstacle Cancers might face during the month of June? Obstacles or challenges for Cancer the month of June. Okay, alright, what is the guidance coming in? Okay, fine. What's the outcome for you, Cancer? Oh, alright. Bottom of the deck we have the Justice card. Okay, so for some of you I think the justice has been served, and since the outcome is for some of you maybe in your favor, for some of you it may not. For some of you it was something different than what you have expected, not completely to certain extent, and because of which somewhere it's causing you, like you may feel like the something has ended in your relation, or something like you were not expecting, and now you need to figure out a different way to approach life, to approach situation, or to deal with the situation. Okay, yeah, let's see what do the cards have. Yep, so the energy here for the month of June for you, Cancer, here is to move towards the calmer water. As I said, like in the Justice card, something has ended or something has, come out in a way which you were not expecting. For some of you, very few of you, I think you have come out of a very, come out of a situation which was very disturbing, emotionally disturbing you, and somewhere it was not a peaceful connection. Okay, it was not a peaceful relation, and something has come out because of which now you are thinking of moving ahead in your life towards something calmer, something consistent, something which will give you peace. Okay, not anxiety, no confusion, no unnecessary drama, but peace. Okay, so for some of you I feel there is a strong message coming in, and the energy you might be dealing is that you need peace in your life, and you are kind of like, I am done with this situation now, I want peace in my life, I am done with the drama happening in my life, I want to have peace in my life, and now I am going to do what will bring peace in my life. I'm going to do that. I'm focusing on my own mental peace, I'm focusing on my own growth. Basically I am focusing on myself instead of getting into the dramatic situation or a relation. Okay, which is a good thing here. Sometimes you need to think of yourself and make choices, and that is what is happening. The obstacle is also moving out the see. As I said, you might have been dealing with a situation which was emotionally disturbing to you, and you were like, I am done with the drama and I want to move out of it now for my highest good, for getting the peace in my life. And that is what is a challenge here, because see, coming out of a certain thing which you have been maybe a long connection, a long-term connection in your life or a relation was there in your life. And sometimes when we take a stand for ourselves or do something or make a move for our own self, it is not easy. Okay, so it's like you are now ready to leave everything behind and like let me see where the universe take me next. Okay, so you are kind of somewhere ready to leave everything behind and move ahead in your life, which is not easy, which is not easy at all, because the new path, the new way will be challenging, will be because whatever we have experienced, we can use the experience in our new journey, but the new path will have their own challenges, right? Have its own challenges. So the new journey is never easy. Moving out or moving away or moving on is never easy. So but that is what sometimes it's important, right? So you are doing that, and given you have opted to do that, it's a big challenging thing for you, but the guidance here is do not give up, because the tough time doesn't last forever and so does the good one, right? So if you have come out of a difficult situation, you will definitely have to keep going, so that see this is also moving and here you are moving, leaving everything behind, and it's a wheel of fortune that the time will change. Okay, so if you're going through a tough time right now, it will definitely pass. It's just a phase, right? It's just a phase, it will pass, right? So just focus on that. You have the support from the universe. Whatever knowledge or experience you have gained in your life till now, just try to use it for your highest good. Okay, and things will definitely turn in your favor soon. Okay, so just keep moving, don't give up, because that's what the outcome is also coming. Don't give up. You do not have to give up, and you will definitely reach the goal you have in your mind. Okay, so after fighting a battle, you have achieved something. So when you are moving on, it's nothing less than fighting a battle, right? So just don't give up, and you will get the success, you will get the desired result. At the same time, you do not have to let your emotions overpower you and not distract you from your goal. Okay, so just focus on that. Let's see what are the angels and guidance, angels and ancestors guidance for you here, Cancer. Okay, why the same cards are coming? But all right, let's see. All right, what's happening? Oops. Okay, I will take both. Yeah, so one is a shapeshifter, so transform and unveil your gift. So see, that's what I was saying, right? Whatever experience you have gained till now, let it be used for your highest good, for your growth. Okay, so transform. You know you can do it, even though you know it's a difficult situation, but you know you can do it, right? So don't give up, keep going, and you will see yourself at a very better position soon. Okay, so just don't let your old version overpower you, let the new version come out. Okay, and that is how you will get to know what kind of strength you have, what kind of capability, what new skills you have, and that's how it will help you to grow. Okay, another is the broken arrow. It's like embrace the energy of peace, and that is what you have opted to do, right? Moving towards the peace, moving towards the calmer water. So that is what you should focus on. Embrace the new change, embrace the new path, and embrace the peace you are trying to opt for yourself. Okay, so yeah, that's the energy, Cancer. It's a good card basically. I'm happy that you are moving on from the difficult situation and taking stand for yourself and doing what will bring peace in your life. Yep, it needs courage, but good. Okay guys, if you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye, take care.